Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how you can trade when the market crashes so badly and you can still earn some money. Now you can see that this is my today's PNL, but obviously it is not just for yesterday's. It is not only that I earned $192 that it is the profit, because there is a lot of losses in my different assets because the market crashed. So that means that if it shows 192, so that means I purchased something which is now in profit, in huge profit. So I will show you that how you can trade. First of all, let me tell you that why the market crashed. So the Trump announced 100% additional tariff on China starting from November 1. So that was a negative news for the market and strong news for the dollar. And obviously the market was weaker. People started to sell, and during the selling there was a lot of positions in the in the long, where people had purchased the coins, or it was long positions in futures, whatever you call it. I'm just saying buy because a lot of user might be new to the crypto. So what happening was their positions were closed because they could not add more funds, and even if they added, the price was falling so much that their account got liquidated. For exchanges, they had to close their positions, which is like forced close. So there was no one there to buy, so the price dropped massively. So during that happened, so the obviously panic spread everywhere. So what happened was, if you can see here, B and Sol, let me give you the example. Within one day it fell from 235 to $34. Now that's huge. Why? Because BN is directly linked to Solana. It is take actually BN is slightly expensive than Solana also. Now that's huge. As you can see that BN here, you the price went from 236 to $34, and for Solana the price went from 220 to 169. As you can see, Solana BN Sol is basically the Sol you stake on Binance is equal to, is called BN Sol. So they are always slightly higher. Their price is always slightly higher than actual Solana. But last night you can see the price fell so badly that actual Solana was not that much down. It was only 166, 168. But BN Sol, it dropped to 34.9. Obviously that was the time no one has anticipated that, so it would take a lot of time to purchase that time. But you can still try to purchase whatever the price you get. Whenever you get, say, you can keep trying to purchase, and that's what I did, and that's the reason that my portfolio is still in profit. I will show you. And okay, let me show you guys what happened last night. Here is the order history. So BN Sol, if you can see here, I purchased BN Sol at the market price 121, because the price was so much up and down and it was filled, and then I purchased. Then again price jumped and I purchased again. But actually the price went to $90 and I could not purchase again. I was trying to purchase, but there was a lot of pressure on the exchange. And you can see the tweets by Binance also, are their posts on X. So it was a lot of trouble that people were not able to purchase, but you have to keep trying and trying. And then finally I purchased, and so then I sold at 158 some of my coins, but remaining I still have it. And then I converted them to Solana later when the price went more than Solana. Here you can see I converted B and sold to Solana at this price, and now this is pure profit, you can see. So this happened last night. Additionally, if you can see, there is also another token. So how you, okay, so BN Sol was just one example. That is one example, that if the stake token went down, there was another token, the same thing happened, wrapped BETH. So it is the WBETH, it is wrapped on Beacon Ethereum. So it is also pegged with Ethereum. So what happened to this one? This dropped to 430, while actual Ethereum did not drop that much. So obviously the chances were that it will rebound, it will bounce back, and you can purchase it. So also there was a huge chance. Of course, I could not buy this one because I had already my money in Solana. But this was also huge. You could have purchased. People must have made the profit here. So if you can see such opportunities, so you can purchase. Now, obviously, you have to know that that what is WB. If you don't know, so you would not understand that. You might be thinking that this might not be pegged with Ethereum. This is something else. This is not the same thing. There could be a lot of things you need to be sure. Another example, what happened was, so for example, if that is something that you can't see at the time and you're not aware, or maybe that doesn't happen always. So there is also another option which I did also, and I traded. I will show you in my history. Maybe you might have noticed that. So if you go on changes, so the coin that fell most, this is my tested strategy. Always in the panic time. Obviously, you have to see that coin has not delisted, so that is completely different. But as you can see this tutorial coin, I went here and last night it dropped to 99%. So it was huge. It fell quite badly. So okay, I have the draw chart here also. So it fell really bad last night. So as you can see 0.000053. That was from here to here. So what I did when I saw that it is 90%, actually whenever I saw it was showing 99% down, and then I went to purchase, but it was started to go up a little bit, and it was 90% down. And that time I purchased coin and I made profit in that one as well. Let me show you. So this is here I sold, but before that, this was actually the first coin. Last night I kept purchasing, and of course I'm in profit in all these coins. But my main point is showing where I made most profit within a short period of time. And there was a time that I tried to purchase and I was unable to purchase. That also happened. From here I purchased this one here, and then I purchased here I sold, but I purchased actually a couple of times. Here I sold for 146. As you can see, I purchased here for $10. Actually, there are a little bit more also into that. Now I am trying to see. Now this is something. This is quite interesting. I tried to keep purchasing for 10 because I was trying to purchase for $100. It was not allowing me. So then I went for, so I kept changing the amount because you have to act quickly, and whatever the amount you can grab. So I got just $10, and then I accidentally sold them. So that was not something that I wanted to sell it that time here, and at some point else also. And anyways, so later, and I was trying to purchase SafePal coin as well because I am monitoring that for a long time, and later BN sold, and then I sold tutorial coin here as well for 138. So I purchased these two coins for $60, and I sold 138 and 146. So actually, I was thinking that maybe I purchased two for 50 and 50. So it is $10 and then $50. So this is the latest data. So I keep purchasing. I kept purchasing, and this is on Binance. The same thing I did on OKX wherever I had the amount. So I keep doing that for different coins, and now I am in profit in all of that. With tutorial, I did not know about this coin much. I never followed this one, so I just saw that there is an opportunity. I jumped in, bought the coins, and then I sold immediately. And this is how I made the profit. So since I was not sure about tutorial coin and that what it is because I did not follow it, so that's why I just sold all of it. But of course, I'm holding Solana coin now because that I know what it is. So just this was the example I wanted to show you with the real screen, that you would see that it is not just a screenshot just made. What happened? So what I actually did, and I did not panic. Of course, my portfolio was in loss. This is just one example. The money I have in my wallets are in different exchanges, so that I'm not showing that how much that is down, but I'm showing you guys that what you can make here. So this is something like, instead of getting panic when your whole portfolio is low, you have some USDT in your wallet, and how you can utilize that USDT in your favor. So this is what you should be doing and you should do during the time, and I showed you my strategy which I used myself. That's it for today. Let me know if you have any questions regarding my strategy or anything you have tried and that worked for you. I would love to hear that. Thank you. This is Naim Sajjad signing off.